So hello everyone, today in this video we are going to talk about the formula used into the moles. What are the basic formula we are going to talk about? We have different formulas for the different methods. Like in the previous video we have already talked about the what are the basic definition of the moles and how it came. So today in this video we will talk about the different formula for the moles. For the moles we are finding mainly three methods. From the three methods we can find the number of moles. One can be find by the first number of the given particles. Number of given particles. This is the one method through which we can find the number of moles. Okay. Another one is the method is that you can find the number of moles by the number of volume. Sorry. Given volume at STP. Given volume at STP of any ideal gas. Given volume at STP of ideal gas. Okay. Generally ideal gas is missing by the someone, but we should take it as a ideal gas should be there. And the third method is what? Through the given mass. Okay. Third method you can find the number of moles by the given mass of any molecules or atom compound, whatever you know that. Okay. So these are the three basic methods we are using to find the number of moles. So first we will talk about the how to find the number of moles from the given particles. So the formula for the moles is equal to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. We have already talked about everyone. Avogadro number is what? Avogadro number is 6.022. Sorry, once again 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 22 into 10 raised to the power 23. Some of the time you can see here 3 is also there, but that one is not that one is the official formula. This one is the official formula of the books. Okay, so please keep in mind that NA is there. Okay, so when you see this is the one formula everyone. Okay, and that's the important formula. Please try to remember everyone. Okay, this is the first formula. Second formula is what? Second formula for the moles is equal to given volume. Okay, number of moles we should write here. Okay, I hope you understood. So given volume at STP, given volume at STP of ideal gas, you already know that. Okay, we have already written something. Okay. So this is the given volume at STP divided by 22.4 liter. Okay, in generally we are using this one. In earlier days it was some difference, but nowadays it's sometime 22.7 is there at NTP like that. Okay, so nowadays we are using this one. This is the basic formulas for the moles. And third one is what? You can find the number of moles by the given mass. Number of moles is equal to given mass divided by molecular mass, and that one is the very good formula. Mostly time we are using this formula everyone, molecular mass or molar mass you can say. Okay, I should write here molar mass. Okay, to make you more comfortable. Okay, molar mass I am writing here. Okay, clear everyone? These three method or these three formulas we are using. Okay, this one is came like this. Okay, it's okay. So these three formula everyone we should remember to find the number of moles. Okay, using these formulas we can find any kind of information through the moles. Okay, like take one questions. We have find the number of moles. Find the number of moles of 11.2 liter oxygen gas. So how can we find this one everyone? You can see this is the at STP. It should be that at STP we should mention at STP. Okay, now came to this. So when you came to this question, you can see there is a given volume. So what is the given volume? Given volume is equal to what? Given volume is equal to 11.2 liter. And what is the formula for the number of moles? Number of moles is equal to, we know that number of moles is equal to given volume divided by given volume at STP. Again, STP. We should clearly see that we have to remember these things. Okay, we should write like this. Okay, these are the formula. Okay, everyone knows that right now we have discussed. Okay, so given volume at STP is divided by 22.4 liters. So right now we have 11.2 divided by 22.4 liters. So when you come to this is coming 0.5 moles. Okay, this is the first steps. Now if it is asking regarding the number of oxygen atom, then what you will do? Okay, then you will go through the formulas. Right now we have discussed, if you know the moles, you can find the number of particles. So how can you find the particles? Right now we had talked about the mole is equal to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number, right? Avogadro number. So when you see this Avogadro number, so you have to find the number of particles for the oxygen atom. Okay, so what is that for moles? We have given 0.5 moles. This is another question. Okay, don't feel that that one is included. Okay, I will ask another question, that what is the number of particles or oxygen atom into the given 0.5 moles, if it is came to 0.5 mole. Okay, right? So when you see this is the given number of particles we have to find. Let's assume that it's X, and as Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, right? This is the calculation we have to came. Okay. So can we say this is coming around 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23? When you could do the calculation, this will come, and this much this much molecules of oxygen gas. Can we say, everyone? Because we have already calculated here moles for the oxygen molecules, because it's mentioned oxygen gas. If it is mentioned oxygen gas, please keep in mind that it always be into the O2 form. Okay, and we are going to use the molecular mass for the 32. Don't get confused regarding these things. This is the basic but very important, everyone. Okay, so when you come to this, you can see one molecules of the oxygen. One molecule of oxygen contain two atom of oxygen, right? So can you find the number? As we talked that we have to find the total number of the particles, total number of atom of the oxygen. So when you come to this, say one molecule contain this much. So 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 molecules, how much will contain? This much contain 2 multiplied by 3.011 multiplied by 10 to the power 23, it is coming around 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom of oxygen, right? So you can see oxygen. You can see these are the basic things, terminology we are going to use. Okay, right now we have discussed two formulas. Now let's assume that one question, that's find number of moles of 16 gram of oxygen gas. Okay, most of the people are going to do mistake if they are not using the common sense. Okay, right now we have discussed oxygen gas means it is exist into the O2 form. So for the molecular mass we have to take 32 gram. So for the moles, you know that given mass divided by molecular mass, given mass divided by molecular mass, molar mass you can say. Okay, so when you see a molar mass, we have given mass is 16 and molar mass is 32 gram. So how much it is coming? 0.5. So this is the right answer. Okay, many of the students is thinking like it's a mole is equal to given mass is 16 gram and oxygen is there, so we should molecular mass is take 16. So this is wrong, everyone. Please, this is wrong, everyone, because we have mentioned oxygen gas. We are not talking about the oxygen. Okay, if it is saying that oxygen gas, oxygen atom, then we should say 1 mole. But if it is saying oxygen gas, so that's why it's 0.5 moles, right? So that's it. These are the small videos, everyone. In this video we have talked very easy way to find the number of moles. Okay, these are the three different methods through which you can find the number of moles, and these are the very important three definition, everyone. Okay, let me give you one clear picture of the how you can find the moles and how can you relate. Okay, just give me 1 second. So when you want to relate these all these formulas, this is the one y side y junction type formula is there. So if you find the number of moles, okay, here it is the only two things I have given, but you can also relate that one. Okay, in this in the circle form you can form. Okay, like we have moles, we have to find the moles. We have given number of particles, particles, given mass, and given for given volume at STP, right? So when you have to find the given moles from the given mass, given volume at STP, then you have to just divide by the 22.4 liter, right? When you have to find the number of when you have to find the number given volume at STP from the moles, then you have to just multiply through the 22.4 liter. Similarly, when you have to find, right, when you have to find the number of moles from the given mass, you just do one thing. And what is that one thing? Just divide molecular mass of the given mass. Okay, when you no no when you have to find the number of given mass from the moles, then you have to do molar mass multiply. But when you have to find this what we can say moles from the given mass, just divided by the molar mass, right? So in this way you can make a shortcut trade, but that's the important. Okay, that's why I'm just giving you. So from the given particles, when you have to find the moles, you just divide by the Avogadro number. But when you have to find the number of particles, you can do one thing is that just multiply this Avogadro numbers to the moles. You can get the given number of particles, right? So these are the very important and very easy formulas, everyone. But the easy but very important. Okay. So don't worry, don't hesitate. And if you get any kind of problem, still you can just tell me into the comment box. I will reply everyone. Don't get confused that I will not reply. I will reply every single students. Okay. So yes, that's it for today. That's it for this video. Okay, everyone. So we will meet in the next video. I will give you the previous videos basis related to the moles. What are the basic formulas? Okay. Chalo bye. If you got this video informative and you are thinking that it's important to you and you got learning something from these videos, then please make sure that you have subscribed this channel and like this video so that we can get good subscribers. Okay, that's it. Okay. मेरा इम्तिहान हो तुझ